Hi, I'm Kaitlyn Butterfield from the 4-H group Heels Down, and today I'll be making a blueberry pie. The recipe calls for 3/4 cups of sugar, but this pie is going to be for my grandfather, and he's diabetic, so we're not adding sugar into it. And then you're going to be using a 1/2 cup of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, some fresh blueberries, already rinsed. Well, there's gonna be 6 cups of those. And then you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime, but we are using lime today. Then a 1/2 teaspoon of butter. So the first thing you're gonna go ahead and do is preheat the oven to 425. Then I went ahead and lined my pie plate with the pie crust and poked holes in it. Then the second thing you're gonna go ahead and do is, in a large bowl, go ahead and mix the 1/2 cup of flour and the cinnamon together and just get it to a nice little consistency like that, if you can see it, but just like that. Then you're gonna go ahead and put your blueberries in. Just gonna add that much. Once you went ahead and mixed it all together, should go like that. And now you're gonna go ahead and just pour the blueberries on inside here. Then you're gonna go ahead and try and even that out as much as you can. Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and add your lemon or lime juice. So measuring out here, and it was 1 tablespoon if you forgot. Then you just go ahead and sprinkle, kind of, I guess you could say. Okay. And then you're only using a tablespoon of butter. And you want to cut it into little pieces. And that is how it should look with the butter and the blueberries and everything on top, and the lime juice, or lemon if you desire. This is what your pie should look after you have done it, and then you just put it in the oven at 420 for 30 to 35 minutes. And this is a blueberry pie after it is done and out of the oven and cooled.